Bhargavi?
Hello.
Hello, Bhargavi. Jai Baba. Go ahead, ma.
Jay Papa. How to love God ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అది బాగుంది, కార్పెంటర్ స్టోరీ అది. సో నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, ఐ కీప్ లిజనింగ్ దట్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ చూస్ బాబా, బాబా విల్ బి చూసింగ్ యూ అని. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ పార్ట్? అంటే వీళ్ళందరూ అంటూ ఉంటారు ఫర్ కామెడీ అన్న ట్రైన్ ఎక్కేసామని. సో నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, వేర్ టు బై టికెట్, వాట్ షుడ్ బి పేడ్ అని.
నేను రానా, నేను చెప్పనా?
చెప్పమ్మా.
భార్గవి, యు ఆర్ డివోటీ ఆఫ్ రామానానా, యు ఆర్ డివోటెడ్. ఏంటంటే యూజువల్లీ గురుస్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ జన్మాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ కనెక్షన్, సేమ్ గురు గెట్ కనెక్టెడ్. ఓకే, నా డజంట్ మీన్ వన్ గురు ఇస్ హయ్యర్ దాన్ దిస్, అలా కాదు. దెర్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ యూనివర్సల్ పవర్, ద అవతార్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ మాస్టర్. అది తెలుసు కదా, భగవద్గీత యదా యదా హి ధర్మస్య, దాని యొక్క మీనింగ్ ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ బట్టి దే విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ టు ద ప్రామినెంట్ రోల్. ఓకే, సో చూస్ అంటే బికాస్ యు ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ ప్రీవియస్లీ విత్ రామ, అలా నీ ట్రావెల్, నీ జర్నీ అలా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి గాట్ కనెక్టెడ్. విత్ మెహర్ బాబాతో కనెక్షన్ ఉండేవాళ్ళం, షిరిడి సాయిబాబాతో. షిరిడి సాయిబాబా వన్ సీరియల్ కమ్స్, ఇట్ రియల్లీ ఐ షెడ్ టీయర్స్. I identify with him, with his talks. ఒక సీరియల్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ సోనీ. ఓకే, ఒక్కొక్కసారి కళ్ళ నీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి చాలా భక్తి వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఐడెంటిఫై దమ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐడెంటిఫై విత్ దోస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్. బాబా సెడ్ బికాస్ ఐ చూస్ యూ అంటే ఎనీ అవతార్ ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ మాస్టర్ గాడ్, you are connected, you got connection with in previous janma. That is what I understood from Baba's book. Okay, అర్థమైందా?
అంటే లాస్ట్ జన్మ మనకి తెలియదు, వాట్
ప్రీవియస్ జన్మ,
అంటే ఈ జన్మలోని వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ పార్ట్,
what is our part? You are going ahead with your bhakti, no? You are reading Ramayanam and chanting all this, your journey. How many human beings are, so many ways are there, journeys are there. నీది నాది అనే ఒక కంపారిజన్ లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రసాద్ చిన్న పెద్దనాన్న, he was reading all the spiritual books. I used to see in his library, he read all the books. He is his own way, his journey. Because he is not doing puja, lit the lamp, doesn't mean he is not a devotee and kaadu, his own journey, right? Jai Baba. I don't know whether I clear your doubt.
Anybody else would like to answer?
Pawan, can I just comment on this?
Go ahead, Mike. Go ahead.
ఏం లేదమ్మా భార్గవి, మనం ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ సో మచ్ యూస్ టు సీయింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ అనమాట. సో భార్గవి, నేను భార్గవి, సిద్ధు మా హస్బెండ్, వశిష్ఠ నా కొడుకు, మా నాన్న, మా అమ్మ. సో దట్ సెపరేట్నెస్ ఇస్ దేర్ కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఎంగ్రేవ్డ్ అనమాట. So what spirituality says is God is only one. There is no difference. Rama, Krishna, Sai Baba, Mupasne Maharaj, Meher Baba, they are all same. The experience, only body wise different. Physical body is different. మనం ఏమనుకుంటామంటే ఫిజికల్ బాడీ చూసి we identify everybody with the physical body అన్నమాట. That is engraved in us.
Along with the physical body, procedures కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి కదండి. అంటే ద మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ జర్నీ చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి. కొంతమంది రిచువల్స్, త్రూ రిచువల్సే యూ కెన్ అచీవ్ ద పవర్ అని అంటారు. సో మెహర్ బాబాలో కాదంటారు. కొంత త్రూ క్రిస్టియానిటీ ఆర్ ముస్లిం దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రొసీజర్స్. ఏ ప్రొసీజర్ లో అన్నా మనం, అంటే ఏ పాత్ లో అన్నా డెస్టినేషన్ చేరుతామంటారా?
ఒకటమ్మా, ఒకటేంటంటే బాబా వచ్చినప్పుడు బాబా చెప్పేదంతా విని వాళ్ళ మండలి ఉన్నారు కదా, కొంతమంది సాయిబులు ఉన్నారు, కొంతమంది హిందువులు ఉన్నారు, కొంతమంది పార్సీలు ఉన్నారు అనమాట. వీళ్ళు క్రిస్టియన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు. ఒక ముస్లిము, ఒక హిందూ, ఒక పార్సీ అనుకుంటా. వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు నలుగురు ఎర్లీ టైమ్స్లో, ఐ థింక్ ట్విన్ లెక్చర్స్లో ఉంది, దే స్టార్టెడ్ ఆర్గ్యూయింగ్ వాట్ బాబా సెడ్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ స్క్రిప్చర్స్ అని. ముస్లిం అతను ఖురాన్లో డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది, మళ్ళా అదేంటిది సూఫిజంలో డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది, క్రిస్టియానిటీలో క్రిస్టియానిటీ గురించి లేదు అక్కడ, హిందూయిజంలో డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది, బాబా చెప్పేది డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది అని చెప్పేసి ఆర్గ్యూ చేస్తున్నారు. అప్పుడు బాబా గారు వచ్చి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పారనమాట. 2 పార్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఎనీ స్క్రిప్చర్స్లో చూస్తే 2 పార్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే యాక్చువల్ స్పిరిచువల్ పార్ట్ ఒకటి, సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే మన కామన్ మ్యాన్ ఏమి చేయాలా, ఎలా చేయాలా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన హిందూ ఈ స్క్రిప్చర్స్లో స్పిరిచువల్ పార్ట్ ఒకటి ఉంది, దేవుణ్ణి మనసులో పెట్టుకుని ప్రే చేయాలా, నువ్వు హానెస్ట్గా ఉండాలా, కైండ్గా ఉండాలా, లవ్ చేయాలా. అది సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే పూజలు ఎలా చేయాలా, వినాయక చవితి ఎలా చేయాలా, ఎనీ సత్యనారాయణ వ్రతం ఎలా చేయాలా, ఆ పద్ధతులు అన్నమాట. అరటిపళ్ళు తేవాలా, ఆకు తేవాలా, పుష్పం తేవాలా, చెవిలో ఏదో పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఇవన్నీ అనమాట. అవన్నీ ఏంటంటే ఇగ్నోరెన్స్ వలన చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే ఆర్ ఎఫ్రైడ్ అనమాట. గాడ్ని ప్రే చేయకపోతే వాళ్ళ జీవితంలో ఏదైనా బ్యాడ్ జరుగుతున్నామని భయం అనమాట. ఆ భయంతో దే వాంట్ టు ఫాలో స్పిరిచువాలిటీ ఫాలో అవ్వాలంటే ఈ పురోహితుల్ని వాళ్ళని అడిగేవారు అనమాట. ఏం చేయాలి అంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తారు, వాళ్ళ ప్రొఫెషన్కి ఆదాయం కోసం మంచి సత్యనారాయణ వ్రతం చేయి, ఈ పూజ చేయి, ఆ పూజ చేయి అని చెప్పేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. ఈ విధంగా రిచువల్స్ బికేమ్ ప్రామినెంట్ ఓవర్ టైమ్, ఓవర్ మెనీ ఇయర్స్. దాంతో రిచువల్ చేసేటప్పుడు అరటిపళ్ళు తెచ్చాను లేదా, మంచి అరటిపళ్ళు తెచ్చాను లేదా, కొబ్బరికాయ కావాలి, కొబ్బరికాయ ఎలా పెట్టాలా, పీపుల్ యూస్ టు ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ అనమాట. సో వాట్ బాబా సెడ్ వాజ్, he never said don't do rituals, but how you do rituals makes a difference అనమాట. అటుపళ్ళు ఆఫర్ చేసినా కూడా with wholehearted offering, that is the most important అనమాట. The mind part, how devoted you are, how you are showing your bhakti, love అనమాట. అది that is the difference.
Pavan, I'll take only 1 minute. Pavan, 1 minute. Please give me 1 minute. Moderator, okay? Bhargavi,
Go ahead, Amma.
Baba's words I am saying, when you are building a house, first metlu lenapudu you put scaffoldings to put the slab adeyadaniki, okay? First slab is second slab is in that you build the steps, okay? Suppose, do you use the steps or scaffoldings? Initially you use the scaffolding to go the first floor. After building the steps, you use Rajamargam vaadtavu gaani scaffolding vaado kada. Baba, initially they used to follow rituals much more than these rituals, higher according to the circumstances వచ్చి different times లో ఆ టైం కు బట్టి they have preached, okay? అర్థమైంది కదా? Wholeheartedly, when you remember, as Prabhakar, my Mamaya garu cheppinattu, God is within our heart. He keeps giving guidance, whatever name we call him. We believe him. That inner guidance, that itself is a great path. Listening to your inner voice. Jai Baba. Okay, moderator, come in the scene.
Jai Baba. Okay, have we completed? Sorry, Bhargavi, you got a little bit of some clarity, I hope.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా anybody else remaining or
తనుజ వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
తనుజ లేదు. Okay. Then I am remaining, so maybe I can give some points if everybody is fine. Ravimai, how much time normally, when do we close, Mai? I just wanted to, I losing track. We still have some time.
We should have 1.5 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes. We are we have still 5 more minutes to 20 more minutes. Whenever you want to close, you can close.
Okay. So then let me just put some thoughts, and I think first I wanted to respond to Bhargavi's point. Bhargavi, see, I think we and I don't know why it is said in a certain manner and people respond to these points in a certain way, which is Baba chooses you and you don't choose Baba. I don't think all of us, at least I don't fully understand the meaning of that statement. Okay, exactly. So, because Baba also says everybody is equal to him. In fact, he says we are all souls which are a part of the Paramatma. We are all the same at a soul level.
Yeah,
okay?
equality.
So the moment you say, get back to that question of Baba chooses us and we don't choose Baba, I think we are interpreting that statement wrongly, Anmata. That's first point I want to tell you. Okay. Second point ante, and which Amma mentioned briefly, is whenever there was the avatar in the world, their teachings was relevant to what was needed at that point in time, which was based on the state of the world at that point in time, Anmata. Okay, so when Jesus was here, the world was in a certain situation, and his teachings became more contextual and relevant to that state of the world at that point, or the universe at that point, Anmata. Prophet Muhammad vachinappudu, there was a slightly different relevance. Okay, that is why Baba also talks about the fact, see, Baba, Rama, Krishna, Jesus, Muhammad, they're all the same, right? But he says, I'm the latest medicine, something like that. He says, I'm the latest. What that means, my interpretation of that is that I have tuned the messaging relevant to what the world is, the state of the world at this point in time. So it's not about me being better than Rama. It's not about me being superior to Jesus Christ, but my messaging is relevant to what it is, the state of the world, the current state of the world, Anmata. Okay, so that is one point I want to mention. Second point, this is my view, Bhargavi, is that, see, back in the days of Rama, Krishna, Jesus Christ, technology also was not as modern as it is today. Today, until in the last 100 years, I'm talking about. Kada? So what we understand of those teachings is what inherently has come word of mouth, Anmata. Okay. And word of mouth over hundreds and years, century, the messaging tends to get diluted. Religion gets created, which is different from spiritualism. And, rituals tend to take precedence at that point in time. There may have been a reason for the rituals. Certain rules needed to be established to get certain outcomes, Anmata. Whatever the reason was, I felt things may have lost out over time. Okay. And that is why Baba felt in the current state of the world, when he was there, the need was probably not to stress on rituals because it has been misinterpreted and created a lot of other wrong outcomes. I'm just giving you my interpretation, Bhargavi. Okay. So he's not condemning rituals. He's, like Ravimai mentioned, it is how you give. If you're breaking a coconut also, what is the emotion? What is the love that goes behind that act? Rather than, if I break a coconut, I will get A, B, C. That is a ritual. But if I do it with a certain love of giving a prasad to somebody, an offering to the God, that has a different meaning, Anmata. Okay. So whether it is Rama, Krishna, Lord Venkateshwara, Sai Baba, it's the same. There's no difference. Only that. And Baba has also mentioned, Kada, I've come not to teach but to awaken. Why? Because he said, lot has been spoken already. Right? Okay. Now I've come to awaken your hearts. And that's why central theme is love. Okay. So just my few points in response to your question. The fact that you're already asking where is the ticket means that you're already in the journey towards Baba, is my view. Okay. So the fact that you're asking a ticket, you're asking, you're already in the journey. Okay, is my point. Okay. So that's related to Bhargavi. Very quickly, I will just talk in overall about love. So again, Sidhu, it's a good message that you've shared, a good speech that you shared. So Jai Baba. Naku I have had, I'll spend 2-3 minutes about my relationship with understanding of love. Naku kuda chala confusing ga undedi. From the early days, Amma, she used to keep talking about it, about Baba. That is my exposure. When we used to go to Vijayawada, I used to keep hearing from everybody, about Baba. And if there's one thing that I heard in the context of Meher Baba in the younger days, it is about love. Love. And I did not understand it. Endukante love ani, how can you zabardasti love somebody? How can you forcefully just, I should love that person, let me love? It was not that simple. Love felt like a spontaneous emotion that came or did not come. You can't just start loving somebody. So I never understood it. In fact, my first time I got some understanding of love, or I felt that, oh, this is very insightful, was actually in an English movie, Anmata. And I'm going to read that out over here. There's a movie called Addicted to Love, Ani. Okay, it was released sometime late mid 90s lo. And akkada oka scene undannamata. There's the heroine who is talking to the hero. Okay, they are not yet. They don't have a love relationship in that movie at that point in time in the movie. And I think the hero asks the heroine Meg Ryan, what is love or something like that, and she reads out. I found it in the internet while we were going through this session. I quickly searched on Mata. I'm going to read this out. This was my first insightful definition of love on Mata. Says, so the heroine is telling the hero, when I was a kid, my father had this dog that started to get all weak and sick. Okay. He takes it to the veterinarian, the doctor, the animal doctor. He examines it, the vet examines it and says a maggot, right, like worms, Anmata, must have laid eggs in the dog's butt. The baby maggots have crawled up. Now they've started to grow inside the dog, Anmata, and eventually they are going to eat the dog alive from the inside. He says it should be put to sleep because it's an old dog anyways. But father won't do it. He takes the dog home, he puts it on the bed, he reaches up into the dog, picking out the maggots with his finger one by one. It takes him all night, but he gets every last maggot out. That dog outlived my father. That's love, Sam. Anmata. Okay, so this, I don't know why, but this whole statement, this whole scene in that movie had a big impact in me. And my interpretation was love is probably service. It is supporting somebody. It is really, really pouring out, no matter how dirty the job, how difficult the job, not giving up hope and giving support to somebody else was love. I mean, that was in the mid 90s, Anmata. Sometime later, maybe 8-10 years later, actually very late in my life, much later, actually, Amma again gave me the card anmata. Edo program ayindi. She gave me a pamphlet lagala, like Prasanna spoke about, which is How to Love God by Meher Baba. And I saw it in the last 10-15 years for the first time anmata. Antamundu eppudu chudaledu adi. And that was my second real sort of, I can say, a little bit of insightful experience, Anmata. I said, wow, here Baba is really explaining how to love God. Because I used to always think, Baba keeps saying, love, love, love. I felt I didn't have a path to it, Anmata. A practical path that I can execute on. And that gave me a little bit of a more insight. Oh, this is how to love God. And to love God, we have to love humankind. Okay, love all our fellow beings. And practical it felt more clear to me. Kani practical applying it felt challenging as well. Okay, to me. So that was I can say, the second phase. And like Naveen said, for me also it's an ongoing journey. I think I'm not at all even 30% or 20% or maybe even 10% in the journey, or maybe even lesser than that. But the third sort of an insight I had in this context of love was during the COVID time, Anmata. In the last 8-9 months, this was during the lockdown time. I used to go for walks, regular guys to take these long walks back in June, July, August last year, Anmata, regular guy. And one of the walks, suddenly I'm thinking something, and I got like a thought, Anmata. Suddenly, just sometimes you get a eureka moment, something like that. And I said, now it makes sense to me. And alanti moment ayindanamata experience I had. And I just said, see, now it all makes sense, because I was this was just when we had started getting into this Baba talks. Even before it became a larger, initially Ravimai, Nenu, Amma, we had decided originally very early on. And I was trying to read up a little bit about ego around that time. And in that context, I got some little, I felt a little bit more of a insight about love. Anmat. Baba says love, love, love. In that ego topic, I was reading that the only way to remove ego, you cannot just destroy ego. Ego is very inherent in humans, Anmata. You can just say, I don't have ego. It's impossible to remove ego. The best way to do that is to create a vacuum, is to replace ego with love. And first took one thought, wow, okay, that sounds good. You can't destroy ego, but you can replace it with love. But how to love? How to love everybody? And when you really get down to the teachings of Baba, Baba talks about do not backbite to anybody. Baba talks about do not be hypocritical, right? What you are in the outside, what you are in the inside, you show in the outside. Don't have double standards. Baba talks about having Sthita Prajna. I mean, taking the good and the bad with the same sense of poise, okay, with the same composure. Okay, take everything as a prasad of Baba or God. Okay, take that as that way. So then it came to me as a partial understanding, not 100% understanding, partial understanding, that if we just intellectually using our mind, and this goes back to Praveen's topic, we have a tool which is intellect, but the whole irony of it is that we have to destroy that same tool to be able to achieve the purpose of life in a way. I don't want to complicate this, but that's what it is. Manonash, we have to go beyond our mind to be able to get to achieve that state, but yet that is the biggest tool that we have with us, which is the big conflict. But anyways, without complicating this, so with our intellect, if we are able to literally try and not backbite, if we are literally going to take a position in our lives and say we are not going to be hypocritical and follow some of the steps that Baba has spoken about, automatically it will generate love. Was my eureka moment, Almata. Don't keep trying to say, I love this person, I will want to love this person, I will want to love this person. It becomes very artificial. But if we take certain specific steps, I'm not going to talk ill of somebody. Very difficult. I 50% of my time is do a lot of backbiting I do about my bosses and colleagues and this and that. But if you're able to do it successfully, if you're able to be what we are inside and outside is the same, if we are able to create a certain integrity in our lives, that automatically translates to love, which then would eventually, over multiple thousands of lives, replace or dilute our ego to a point where ultimately there is destruction of ego, right? Which is the final stage. So, sorry, I also took a little longer period of time, but Jai Baba, those were some of my points to share to everybody. Okay.
Very beautifully shared, Gautam. I'm sorry, Pavan. Very well, very well put everything together. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. Okay, so I think everybody has completed. Anybody else would like to share any other thoughts, comments before we close out with the prayer?
So next week, Gautam is going to talk. I do not know what topic. Is Gautam here?
ఉన్నా
ఏ టాపిక్ మీద మాట్లాడతావు గౌతమ్?
అందరు కొంచెం ఓపెన్ మైండ్ తో వింటే ఉంటే 10 మాట్లాడతా.
No, we are not. No, we are not open. We are closed.
You bring presence of God. Any name of God you bring in your talk. Okay?
Nani God. God.
Any name of God you bring it.
First, Gautam, maybe I'll still be the moderator for some time. Gautam, before anybody gives their comments, what is the topic? Why didn't you tell the topic?
No, I want to. Next time.
It's okay, Gautam. Whatever you want, Gautam. I think whatever you want, just give. Okay.
Yeah.
We don't have. We cannot put any conditions on anybody. You do this, you do that. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, Gautam. My request is you bring the presence of God. Okay. That topic. Okay. My request. It is not necessary one person's. Everybody has. My request is to bring the presence of God. Any name of God, either Bhagavad Gita.
Or condition మరి
wait. Let me be the moderator. Amma, yeah, it's a request from Geeta. But Gautami, see, in a way, you're not going to come and talk about quantum physics, kada.
Yeah,
You're going to talk about something
I'm
related
talking
to
about the existence of God.
Absolutely. So that's fine. Some topic related to that.
Okay,
Kada?
okay. Free.
Very good. That will be a great topic.
Yeah,
Gautami.
that's
Okay.
fine.
Good.
Yeah,
ఇందుకే
I
ఏంటి
think
టాపిక్ ఏమిటి?
only condition ఏంటంటే that should be relevant to all of us. As Pawan said, I cannot talk about quantum mechanics, how the energy connected to the tumor. I cannot talk all those things. It has to be a popular topic that we all should understand what you're talking about. That's all.
చెప్తానని ఎవరు చెప్పారు? ఇది ఎక్కడ గొడవ? నేను చెప్తాను, అలా చెప్తాను ఎందుకు అనుకున్నారు?
So,
Okay, now 10
okay,
o'clock
good.
conclude
So
the
Gautam is
talk.
going to talk about quantum mechanics next week, and the following week is Praveen. Praveen is going to talk, and he has to choose what topic he wants. And the following week, Prasanna, are you available?
చెప్పు
మార్చిలో రా.
I'm hearing.
మార్చిలో ఏమైనా డిస్కోర్సెస్ టాపిక్ ఏమైనా మాట్లాడతావా, ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ టాపిక్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఇంట్రెస్ట్?
నాకు కష్టం. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ జస్టిస్.
ఓకే,
నాకు సిక్స్
ఇంకా 2
డేస్
weeks ఉంది
వర్క్
కదా
ఉంది.
Prasanna,
అలాగా
still more time is there. You can have time to decide. Now you can say yes.
ఏమీ కాదు.
Okay.
యూఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ టోటలీ 6 days. ఆ 1 day రెస్ట్ అవుతుంది.
అవును.
మళ్ళీ డిస్కోర్సెస్ అది తర్వాత అదర్ సోషల్ థింగ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా.
యా
ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ ఐ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు డూ జస్టిస్ టు రైట్.
Okay.
whatever you feel comfortable, Prasanna. That's fine.
Okay.
Whenever you want, please come in. We don't have to invite you, okay? Please come in. But
Now as I conclude the session.
what one thing is, a lot of people are dropping. That's what I'm little concerned about. I think if everybody shares,
ఎవరికంటే టైం
కాదు చిన్న కొంతమంది మంచిగా మాట్లాడతారు, కొంతమంది వింటారు చిన్న. సో ఎవరైతే బాగా చెప్పగలుగుతారో వినటానికి బాగుంటది. ఇప్పుడు గీత చెప్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, మంచి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అన్ని, అంటే అతనే కాదు మీరైనా కూడా ఇవాళ మీరు చెప్పారు కదా, మీ జర్నీ ఇది చెప్పారు కదా, బాగుంటాయి అవి వినటానికి. అయితే నేను నా గురించి చెప్తున్నాను, నేను అది ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. మీరు చెప్తా ఉంటే నాకు వింటా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. మరి కానీ నన్నే మాట్లాడమంటే నాకు ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటది. మీరు బాగా చెప్తారు. మీరు పవన్ కూడా బాగా మంచి ఇవి. సో మీరు చెప్తే బానే ఉంటుంది. అంటే వాళ్ళు వదిలితే బానే ఉంటుంది.
పోనీలే రవి, ఎవరికి ఛాన్స్ బాబాయ్ మాట్లాడతారు.
చిన్న కన్సైజ్ గాను చెప్తారు. లేదు చిన్న కూడా బాగుంటుంది.
నెక్స్ట్ 2 weeks డిసైడ్ అయింది.
No, we are not. Nobody is forcing anybody.
ఇన్ని కండిషన్స్ టాపిక్ చెప్పాలంటారా నెక్స్ట్ వీక్?
10 o'clock we didn't have food.
Yes, Gautam, yes, please. Go ahead, whatever topic you want. The only condition I request you is it should be connected with to everybody. That's all. You all should understand. That's all there is to it.
అది బేసిక్ గా ఇది వచ్చునా. ఇప్పుడు సంథింగ్ ఐ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ నా పర్సనల్ ఈవెన్ లో ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ విల్ కన్సిడర్.
Okay, Gautam, choose your own topic. Let us say, beloved God, I will leave. You can discuss later. Like Ravi, you did it last week.
Okay.
Let us do that.
Pavan, go ahead.
Beloved God. Beloved
Okay.
God, help us all.
Go ahead, Amma. Go ahead.
Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more, and still yet more, till we become worthy of union with you. Help us all to hold fast to Baba's daman till the very end. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba, for grace of love. Thank you for a wonderful session today. Jai Baba. Bye. Andarki na Jai Baba ne untunna. Jai Baba. Bye. Unta. Jai Baba. Ravi.
జై బాబా. జై బాబా.
Siddu.